a monotheistic religion founded in 19th century Persia, now Iran, by Bahá'u'lláh 1817-92, and continued by his eldest son, Abdul-Baha, 1844-1921. Bahá'ism, from the Arabic Baha, meaning splendor, has its roots in the teachings of Mirza Ali Muhammad, a preacher in Shiraz who was known as the Bab, Arabic for gate. The Bab, who was executed in Persia in 1850 and whose tomb in Haifa, Israel, is an important site for Baha'is, emphasized the notion of messianic messengers from God, of whom Bahá'u'lláh claimed to be the latest example. Bahá'ism stresses the oneness of mankind and of all religions, with God's truth progressively revealed by a succession of prophets, such as Abraham, Buddha, Jesus, and Muhammad. One of the tenets of the faith is the equality of men and women. Another is the need to seek world peace. There are perhaps 7 Baha'is around the world, more than 2 of them in India. In Iran, there remain about 350,000, but they are the subject of persecution, accused of being apostates from Islam.